Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Jotform to gather tax forms for contractors step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Jotform account. On the dashboard, click on the Create Form button. Choose the Start from Scratch option. Select either Classic Form or Card Form based on your preference. Once the form builder opens, click on Add Element located on the left side of the screen. Drag and drop the short text field into your form. Label this field as Contractor Name. Next, add another short text field for email address. Then, insert a file upload element to allow contractors to upload their tax forms. Label the file upload field appropriately, such as Upload your tax form. You can adjust the allowed file types and size limit in the field settings. Next, add a multiple choice field for contractors to indicate the type of tax form they are submitting. You might label this section Select Tax Form Type. Include options like W-9, 1099, and any others relevant to your needs. Make sure to set the required fields by toggling the required option for each important field. Once your form is complete, click on the Settings tab at the top. In the Settings, navigate to Form Settings to customize the form title and description. Consider adding a confirmation message or redirecting to a thank you page after submission. To integrate your form with other platforms, click on the Integrations tab. Search for the application you wish to connect with, such as Google Drive or Dropbox. Follow the prompts to authenticate your account and set up the integration. Once everything is set, click on Publish at the top of the form builder. Copy the link provided to share your form with contractors. Consider embedding the form on your website for easy access. Test the form by submitting a sample entry to ensure everything works smoothly. Monitor submissions in the Jotform dashboard to stay organized and efficient. Now, your Jotform is ready to gather tax forms from contractors seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.